Kakain na sila. Where are you, Brin? Sit down. Both of you sit. Ito kay Brin. May manok yan. Nilagyan ko. Tapos ito kay Abby. Ayan si Abby. Kakain na daw siya. Brin, where are you? Brin? Come, eat. Come here. Come here. Come, Abby. Sit down, Abby. Sit, Abby. Abby, sit. Sit. Good girl. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Ayan, kakain siya. Ayan yung pagkain niya. Yummy! Yummy, where are you, Brin? Come, baby. There, sit down. You need to sit. Oh, this is for you. Come. Good boy. Finish, okay? Otherwise, Abby, eat egg. You want? Ayan sila. Sarap yung pagkain ni Abby, manok. Ayan. Paanang manok at saka leeg. Tapos, ayan. Mayroon pang isda. Nandun sa freezer. Alala, chew Abby. Ayan, si Mr. Brin. Eat it. Finish your food. Kakainin ni Abby yan. Finish your food. Come on. Ayan sila. Ayan. Ayan, busog kasi si Brin. Marami siyang, marami, yung manok niya kaninang umaga, ang laki. So, yun lang. Ayan, natapos na si Abby. Si Brin nandun pa. So, yun lang.